it's one of the simplest cooking ideas ever. Take your food and, well, set it on fire. Or above fire anyway. Tonight, For the Love of Food is going back to the roots of food, to one of the earliest methods of cooking ever developed, barbecue. Nobody's really quite sure where the technique of cooking your food, particularly meat, over an open flame originated. However, etymologists are of the opinion that the term barbecue has a Caribbean origin. Today, however, it's one of the most popular forms of food preparation across the planet. As one would expect, Pakistani barbecue has a twist or two of its own. As the name suggests, Barbecue Tonight is right at the top of the barbecue food chain in Pakistan. Their credo seems simple enough. Do barbecue, do it well, and do it consistently. Tonight, we unlock some of the secrets behind some of their most tried and tested recipes. First up tonight is chicken shashlik. They say its roots are somewhere in Russia or Turkey, but here it's referred to rather simplistically as English. Served as barbecue chicken with vegetables on skewers with a side of rice, this dish is an all-time classic. But before we hit the grills, I grilled the head chef, Mr. Wasti, on the secret recipe that they marinate the chicken in.
अच्छा वास्ती साहब सबसे पहले तो मुझे इस सॉस के बारे में बताएं केचप लग रही है मगर आई एम श्योर उसके अंदर आपने और भी कई चीजें डाली हैं
और भी डाली हैं अदरक डाली है ग्राइंडर करके लहसुन ग्राइंडर करके डाला है लाल मिर्च है पाउडर और काली मिर्च है जैतून का तेल है वाइट पेपर है
अच्छा तो सबको मिक्स करके केचप में टोमेटो पेस्ट तो नहीं होता है दिस इज सिंपली केचप
ये शाशले का मसाला होता है
अच्छा इसको मैरिनेट करेंगे आप
जी बिल्कुल
तो ये कितनी देर तक मैरिनेट होगा
ये बस ऑर्डर पे लगाते हैं 2 से 3 मिनट
2 to 3 minutes doesn't sound too bad for a cooking method infamous for its laborious pace. The chef's marinating technique is gentler than I expected.
Now, here we have vegetable rice, and as simple as they may look or as ordinary as vegetable rice sounds in itself, it isn't that simple to prepare. In fact, we were here earlier on to check out how they do prepare vegetable rice, and why don't you take a look?
Traditional basmati rice is cooked with some of the more subtle tasting and fiber-heavy vegetables such as carrots till they're good and ready. Next, fresher, greener vegetables such as chopped leeks are added. A couple of tablespoons of soya sauce in a quick mix. Ladies and gentlemen, vegetable rice.
The next step is to put these pieces of meat onto skewers.
And how could I possibly forego such an opportunity to acquire a skill such as this? Looks simple enough, doesn't it?
तो हमेशा पहले चिकन जाएगी
जी
अच्छा और sideways. This is a bit tricky. I don't manage to stab myself. Drill a hole in my own hand. Customer wouldn't exactly like that.
As per tradition, the chef takes time out to fix my handiwork.
अच्छा ये सही लगा दिया मैंने
बस
मेरे ख्याल से गिर जाएगा
नहीं गिरेगा तो नहीं बस
दूर दूर हो
Here's something new. These vegetables are to be barbecued on a separate skewer.
Alright, so the vegetables are put onto a separate skewer and they're not using any kind of spices on it. So it'll just get basically sort of well done and crispy and they go really well. What I'm surprised is that they don't put the vegetables right here with the meat because that's where the real flavor comes from. And it's getting barbecued. It's not just the coal that you can smell and taste actually. It's also the vegetables. The flavors fuse in really well.
But hey, this show isn't anything if it isn't open to discovery. Time to get grilling.
So the next thing is to barbecue these. They're all well marinated. This is chicken shashlik like we just talked about. And I'll just place them right here. वासी साहब अब इसका बताएं इसको कोयले के ऊपर बस इसी तरह रखना है?
जी बिल्कुल इसी तरह।
इस पे कोई ऑयल वगैरह नहीं लगाना?
नहीं वो जब थोड़ा सा हाफ डाउन हो जाएगा फिर लगाएंगे।
अच्छा।
ये आ गया।
और ये तो
इसके साथ ये सब्जी भी रख के
अच्छा सही है Now nothing has been put on the vegetables, no spices, nothing at all, and we'll just put them here. We have to be extra careful about these because they do of course get done more quickly than the chicken. The heat, as you can tell from my face, is absolutely unbearable, which is why we have a fan on the back, and it's not just for effects.
And as the chicken sizzles, the lesson continues.
This is something very interesting that Vasti Saab tells me. What usually we do at home, and I'm sure you can relate to this, is we use a fan, something like this, and like do that over the coal so that, you know, there's more fire and it cooks quicker. The problem with that is what happens is inside the meat remains completely raw.
Maybe it's the feeling like I'm in school again, but this heat is definitely taking some getting used to.
गर्मियों में ये किस तरह करते हैं आप लोग? ये तो अभी मतलब जब मौसम और गर्म होगा तो ये इधर चूल्हे के साथ खड़े होके कोयले में ही किस
शुरू
तरह
से कर रहे हैं, एक आदत हो गई है, शुरू से कर रहे हैं।
Funny how the concept of time becomes elastic when you're having this much fun.
These are probably going to be the longest 6 minutes of my life.
Eventually, the chicken turns the right shade of golden and is delivered to its next destination.
So, chicken shashlik is ready. The rice here in the dish go really well with the barbecue chicken, and as you can see, Vasti Saab have prepared one of the best dishes of barbecue tonight right here for me. As much as I want to dig in right now, I cannot. We have to get going and move on to our next dish.